Alright, what up everybody? Hope y'all having a blessed day. I'm gonna show y'all my setup real fast, and I'm gonna show y'all what game modes I'll be playing to level up fast in this game. I mean, everybody wanna level up, everybody wanna have fun, get to those max levels and all that. You know what I'm saying? Get those camos and all that. But, you know what I'm saying, it could be a struggle if you ain't playing the right game modes. So, this is what you need to do first. Go here and change your kill streaks to score streaks. Right down here at the bottom left, press RT and put it on score streaks. Now, you need your UAV, the counter UAV. These two is gonna keep giving you XP over and over again. You're gonna keep getting it. Now, you could go for something like this. Just real quick, you're gonna easily get 750 score every time before you die. You should be able to. You know what I'm saying? But if you don't, I mean, but if yeah, you can. Most people can. But you know what I'm saying? So if you a little bit better and you want to get the higher kill streaks, I was using this one and I was getting this SAE a bunch. You know what I'm saying? And I wasn't getting a bunch of kills. I was just capping flags, throwing my decoys, and you know what I'm saying, whatever. But look, I put it on here right here. I'm gonna try this one. So this is supposed to give me a lot of kills. So we're gonna see if I can get up to this one. You know what I'm saying? Now, this is what you need to do. Alright. You don't gotta put on double time if you don't want to. Just put it on extra tactical. That's what you need. Extra tactical and hardline, because you want to get your kill streaks faster. You know what I'm saying? Now, decoy. Use your decoy. You're gonna throw 3 of these by the enemy, and every time they're shooting and niggas looking at it and all that, your XP gonna go higher and higher and higher every time. Alright, so look, drill charge. I use this because when niggas want to camp behind a wall, I play a lot of third person, so you can see them hide behind that wall. So you're gonna hide there, I'm gonna throw this shit and blow you up, you're dead. Alright, game modes, real quick. Game modes. Third person, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people don't play third person, you know what I'm saying, because it's modern, it's Call of Duty. They play first person. Everybody wants to play first person. But third person is the shit, and it's a lot easier. You can see the players before they hit the corner if you playing right. And you kill easier. So another game mode to level up easy is in Invasion. You know what I'm saying? It's like ground war, but you got bots out there. And you know what I'm saying? These are 2 good game modes. And I've been talking for way too long. Enjoy the rest of the video. I got some highlight clips for y'all of me sniping. And I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm gone.